Well, the truck's got some new shoes. 285/75/16 Cooper Discoverer AT3s, 10-ply load range E. They're almost 33s. They're like 32.5s. And they don't rub at all. And all I needed to do to fit them up front was crank up the torsion bars 5 full turns, and which more or less leveled it. And check it out. Looks badass. So I'm going over to Scott's today and check out his new tractor. But until my iMovie starts working again, I'm going to have to keep everything in separate videos so I can upload them individually. But really not much else has been done with the truck. These are my old tires. Yeah, not great really. But like I said, nothing else really has been done. I have a CB, but it's not wired up yet. But I figure get a cold start. Try the Corvair Wild camera angle.